Hey everybody, AJ over at ajmorris.me here, and I'm bringing you another Zapier tutorial, this time using Calendly. So one of the things that I do is I have a full-time job, and I have a number of side hustles that I'm always playing with, and so I've really got to protect my calendar, not only for all the work-related things, but also all the family obligations, the family fun, the trips, the road trips, all of that. And so I really keep my calendar pretty under lock and key. And so Calendly for me is a way that I can go out and share links to have friends, colleagues, potential partners, customers, whoever, grab a slot on my calendar, and then we can talk about something. And so with this, I think I've got a pretty cool solution. So let me show you this. So I have two meetings that are for my day job for iThemes. I work at a WordPress plugin training and theme shop, and iThemes, I do a number of outward-facing calls with partners being on podcasts or affiliates or potential partnerships that we're looking to do resell or some sort of business with. And then I also do a bunch of internal meetings, and I don't want those to go to my personal calendar. But I want to be able to block off the time on that personal calendar. And so I've developed Zaps to be able to do that. So if we look over at Zapier, I've got a folder just called Calendly here. And in a previous video, I talked about the busy calendar and add up busy calendar calculator. So check those or check that video out if that's something that's interest of you. In how to do, really kind of busy up your calendar and mark it as, hey, I'm unavailable. But that said, one of the things that I really want to be able to do is move those iThemes related Calendly appointments over to my iThemes calendar. Now, Calendly does have the ability, if we look in here a second, to look at calendar connections. So you can go in and you can connect up to 6 different connections. You just add in your calendar, connect which calendar you want to use, and it'll check to see if time is available on that calendar for you to have a meeting. So this is a great way for people like me that might be running a full-time job, but also run a consulting business and some other side hustles and family, and are kind of trying to keep all of those calendars separate, but yet on your devices they're showing up with what you've got going on. This allows you to really do that. So all I have to do in Calendly is notify something about these. So you'll notice that I've put iThemes in both of these meetings, and then on the Zapier side in my Zap, we'll go ahead and edit this a second to show you. I'm just saying, hey, when this happens, when an invitee is created in Calendly, that's the trigger. Run some stuff, and only run some stuff if it meets a certain criteria. So you'll see I'm using the filter by Zapier here. So my filter is pretty simple. It's just looking for an event type name, contains the word iThemes. So as long as I put iThemes in that event type name, it'll continue. And then the last step in that calendar is to select my iThemes account and add it to that iThemes calendar. So that's how I'm able to get these two events over to my work calendar, so that internal people aren't trying to schedule me, and they're able to see my availability internally, but I'm also able to have external customers or partnerships also grab a time on my calendar. So that's it. Hopefully you found this useful, and thanks for watching. Check out new videos coming soon.